Very interesting study that's currently happening at Toronto General. We had scheduled the research coordinator to come, but she had a last-minute cancellation. So you get me. So I'm going to tell you what I know with the caveat that this is not my study, but I'm going to give you resources to find out more. So this study is called Q-RARE LI. And what I've got up here are the recruitment flyers from the research team. And they are recruiting participants for this study who live with PSC, and two kinds. They're looking for participants who are interested in being peer counselors, and they are looking for participants who are relatively newly diagnosed who are looking for peer support. This is some information from the study that the goal is to study how improving health-related quality of life in patients with rare autoimmune liver diseases using structured, peer-delivered support. And this is considered an interventional trial because what they are going to do is they are going to measure the impact and the efficacy of this intervention and try to use that to evaluate how important this type of support is and potentially find funding to integrate it into regular care. So the intervention is psychosocial peer-delivered support. That means telephone calls with training. So you're not on your own. The aims are to prepare the implementation in different health systems for patients with rare autoimmune liver diseases. This is for PBC, PSC, and autoimmune hepatitis, and then to assess the effectiveness. The implementation is basically you take a survey before, and then you have the intervention, and then afterward you take another survey, and then there'll be some focus groups as well. The target participation, they're looking for 240 patients to participate. And this trial is being run in Germany, Canada, Belgium, Poland, and Hungary. So it's being delivered in a number of different languages. If you'd like to find out more about this publication is open access. Feel free to go and download this study. This is written for the research community, but it goes into a lot of detail about what they're trying to do with this study. So they're actively recruiting. The trial recruitment is ending January. So if you're interested, please contact the UHN study team. And they're recruiting both for the provider participants and newly diagnosed, and training and support for the peer support provider as part of the program. So you're not on your own. You will be trained, and then you will have support available to you as the person providing the support. They're going to be evaluating the efficacy and hopefully, being able to develop an argument to integrate this into standard care. We've heard loud and clear from a lot of people that it would be really helpful to have psychological support as part of your care with living with an autoimmune liver disease. And this study is really important to collect the kind of evidence that can convince the decision makers to potentially fund having that support as part of your routine care. So it is a really important study. So there's an email here. Please contact this email if you'd like to find out more. And then, as I said, recruitment is ending soon. So please share the news if you know other people in Canada who might be interested in doing this. That you can participate from anywhere in Canada. You do not need to be in Ontario, and you do not need to be a patient at UHN.